You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to make your Mac twice as fast with these hidden performance tips. First, manage startup items. Go to System Settings General, then Login Items. Disable unnecessary apps. Second, clean up storage. Go to Apple menu, About this Mac, Storage, then Manage. Delete large files and caches. Third, reduce visual effects. Go to Accessibility, Display, and reduce motion and transparency. Fourth, update macOS. Go to System Settings, Software Update. Fifth, close unused tabs. Use Command plus Tab to switch and quit. Sixth, reset ZMC and NVRAM on Intel Macs. Seventh, use Activity Monitor to find and quit resource-heavy processes. Eighth, disable Spotlight indexing for certain folders. Ninth, clear browser cache. 10th, disable desktop widgets. 11th, use a lighter web browser like Safari. 12th, keep your desktop clean. 13th, upgrade RAM or SSD if possible. 14th, regularly restart your Mac. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.